That's the clacker board that they have at the start of videos. You know what I mean. Okay, so we are on a bit of a road trip, me and Sol. We're on our way to Doncaster to see a guy called Rob, who has been involved in lowriding for a long time now, good 10-15 years. He's got an old Lincoln that it's his pride and joy. He's had it for years. It's been sat a bit neglected in his workshop, and he's sold it, or he's agreed to sell it to a guy, and he just needs some help resurrecting it. I believe he's doing some restoration work to it, some paint. Juice needs a bit of a tickle up, and that's where we're going. So we've got a boot full of spares, rams, motors. Well, you see the boot. Motors, hoses, and stuff. Switches and wiring, and just the general stuff that you need. O-rings and hydraulic oil. So yeah, we'll see you when we get there. Peace. So we're here with Rob, the impossible Rob. This is his Lincoln. Is it a town car? 76?
75.
75. Well, 75 Lincoln town car. Yeah? Get how awkward he is. So you are restoring, renovating it. It was already juiced. You bought it off Russ Vendel,
Yeah.
the lowrider legend from back in the day. How long ago was that?
That far back, I can't remember.
It must be, must be
time ago.
10, 15 years ago.
No, it's not as long as 15, but I think it might be 10.
About 10 years.
Might be a bit more than 10, but not as many as 15.
So it was built by Rocky
Yeah.
for Russ Vendel.
I believe so,
And
yeah.
he sold it to you, and then what did you do to it?
Wrecked it.
No, you didn't. Nah, you didn't. So you didn't have all the custom paint on it. Did Vendel just have like tape on it?
Yeah, some tape pinstriping. It was quite.
It was cool.
It needed quite a lot of bodywork.
Yeah, I remember that.
It had quite a lot of rust issues. Nothing structural as such. It had been smacked down the side. Something the side swiped in. It was absolutely full of burns. So some pretty big holes in it. So I welded all them up. Painted it. But it didn't have a lot of money when I painted it. So
But this was like this was the best one you ever did. At the time, it was your.
Yeah, I absolutely love this car. I remortgaged my house to buy this. It was,
Wow, that is commitment. See, kids, if you want to get into look, if you want to get into lowriding, that's commitment. Remortgaging your house to buy a car, only then to strip it and totally rebuild it. And
it was a bit of a
impressive.
It was a lot of a pain when I first bought it. It had leisure batteries in it for a start. They were all knackered.
Yeah, so you have to replace that. So that's what, £300-400 outlay.
Something like that.
Straight
Yeah.
off the bat.
Had lots of parts that just couldn't cope with the weight of the car.
Were these the pumps that were in it?
Yeah, they're the pumps that were in it. But, Black Magic.
Black Magic pumps.
But yeah, it was spitting O-rings out of slowdowns, and like check valves were just disintegrating. Just many problems.
You upgraded the original checks and slowdowns to what are they? Parkers, right? And now what's happening with it? So, why did you stop? What you didn't? Well, let's not get into the politics of why did you stop lowriding. Well, the car got put away.
Yeah,
And you concentrated on other projects, business.
yeah, just didn't have time for it. Didn't have the money to spend on continuing in the direction that I wanted to go with it.
But you were still doing custom paint, weren't you?
Yeah, just not on any of my own stuff on it. Everyone else's.
Custom bikes and that kind of stuff. Is your focus? And the name of your business is Plug,
Possible Paint Shack,
based in
Doncaster-ish.
Doncaster, yeah.
Yeah.
And he does custom paint. Easy man for motorbikes.
Yeah.
We'll put a little link. You ain't got a website, have you? You've got your Instagram
I've got a Facebook page.
page. You
Not on
can.
Instagram.
We'll put the details in the description below, so if you're interested. We'll also get some pictures. You've got pictures we can put into the video,
Yeah.
like a bit of a show reel of your work. And now it's reached the unfortunate phase where you've sold the car.
Yeah, I've taken a deposit on it, so it is leaving. Bit tragic, really, but it's going to be painted almost pretty much how I always wanted it to be by the time.
But it was somebody else.
Yeah, for somebody else.
But it's legacy though.
Yeah, it's going to look nice. When
It's legacy, and it doesn't. It's not always the end, is it? I mean, I know you say that you probably won't do another one like this, but I don't know how old are you?
37 or
37.
38.
So sound about the same.
37.
Yeah. So he's got 30 years with the car and motorbike building left in him.
Yeah.
So that's a long time, isn't it? It's a long time.
It is. But
So don't sell yourself short.
it's not necessarily that. It's just not having the premises to do. I don't have the space to do cars. So
Things change.
I suppose if I do, yeah, you never know.
Things change. Something might come up. You've got a bit of money in your pocket. Low riding would love to have you back, Robert. You're one of those classic characters who comes along, drinks too much, and then ruins the thing that they've been most passionate about, which has got them into it, taking it to shows. And I don't know if we've reached the point in the video where I will put in clips of. I think we've got Bug Jam. The Bug Jam this was built, and first it was his first out in that Bug Jam. I think.
Probably.
I think it was one of the last Bug Jams we ever
Is
did.
it the one where it didn't have?
It
I
was.
think it lost its white walls.
Yeah,
Couldn't afford to
from
put
memory,
white walls back on it.
we went to Bug Jam and everything broke, and we all got drunk, and then Bug Jam never invited us back.
That's the one.
So
Yeah.
there's no bitterness. I'm not saying it like Bug
Entirely
Jam.
our own fault.
But it was entirely our own fault, and we lost that show and all the other Santa Pod events, which were like the cornerstone of lowriding during that era, which is a massive shame, and that's why things are about to change.